Hi, John Morgan here, and welcome to this week's episode of the Keep Growing podcast, where we take a look at the gardening week ahead for the Mid-Ohio Valley. This week we're covering week 33 of 2024, Saturday, August 10th to Saturday, August 17th. Up first, the weather. As the remnants of Debbie move out of the region, we're looking at a pretty nice weekend with temperatures in the 80s. We're looking at a mostly dry week ahead, with temperatures back on the rise toward the 90s. Our chance of rain and storms will come later in the week. Monday this week is the first quarter moon. Traditionally, the first quarter moon is the perfect time for above-ground crops. This time of year, that means frost-hardy veggies like lettuce, spinach, and kale. This week is actually a great time to plant strawberries. Planting strawberries in the fall is a fantastic way to get a head start on a bountiful harvest next spring. The cooler temperatures and increased rainfall, hopefully, create ideal conditions for young plants to establish strong root systems before winter sets in. Start by choosing a sunny spot with well-drained soil, and consider adding some compost to enrich the soil. Space your strawberry plants about 12 to 18 inches apart, allowing for plenty of room for them to spread and grow. Water them well after planting, and keep an eye out for any signs of pests or diseases. With a little care and attention, your fall-planted strawberries will be ready to produce sweet, juicy berries as soon as the weather warms up this coming spring. Over the coming weeks, we're going to talk about some plants, seeds, tasks, etc. that can be done now to prepare your landscape for a beautiful spring. That way we can get a jump start on the next gardening season to help you, keep growing. For show notes and a transcript, visit us at bobsmarket.com/keepgrowing.